Hello students, today's topic is representation of irrational number on number line. irrational number को नंबर लाइन पे कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं ये हम लोग आज सीखेंगे। जैसा कि आप सभी को पता है कि √2, √3, √5 as so on means root of non-perfect square number और irrational number। अब इन सारे नंबर्स को नंबर लाइन पे कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे ये हम लोग आज सीखेंगे। तो चलिए सपोज करते हैं कि वी हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट √3 ऑन द नंबर लाइन। √3 को नंबर लाइन पे रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए क्या करना होगा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अ नंबर लाइन। On this we'll take a point O which represents 0 and another point will take A which represent 1. So now OA is equals to 1 unit. The distance from OA is 1 unit. Now at the point A we will draw a perpendicular, means here we will draw 90 degree angle। तो आप सभी को पता है कि किसी एक पॉइंट पे 90 डिग्री एंगल कैसे कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं। ये हो गया 90 डिग्री। From this perpendicular we'll mark an arc of 1 unit that is equals to OA. This is the point B and join OB. So here AB is equals to 1 unit, OA is equals to 1 unit and angle A is equals to 90 degree. Since angle A is 90 degree, so by Pythagoras theorem we'll find the length of OB. So OB square hypotenuse square is equals to base square OA square plus AB square. So OB square is equals to 1 square plus 1 square. OB square is equals to 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So OB is equals to √2. And this OB will come √2. Now with the compasses O as the center and OB as the radius, we'll draw an arc to cut the number line at point P. So here, because this arc has been drawn from the center O and the radius OB, so here OP is also equals to OB. So OB is equals to OP is equals to √2. तो अगर हम बात करें कि OP, तो OP की वैल्यू हो गई √2. But here we have started to represent √3. So one more step we have to apply here. Now on the line OB, at point B we will draw a 90 degree angle again here. And once again be a center and with the radius equals to AO, draw an arc to cut this perpendicular at the point C and join OC. Now in right angle triangle OBC, right angle triangle OBC में angle B is 90 degree. So if in this triangle OBC will use Pythagoras theorem, so OC square is equals to OB square or plus BC square. OC square is equals to OB square. What's the value of OB? That is root 2. So root 2 square plus BC. BC we have taken 1 unit. BC we have taken 1 unit, 1 square. So OC square is equals to root 2 whole square means 2 only. Plus 1 square means 1. So OC is equals to 213 और स्क्वायर हो जाएगा स्क्वायर रूट. तो हियर OC is equals to root 3. So this OC is now root 3. But we have to represent this length on the number line. So for that, O is the center and with the radius equals to OC, draw an arc to cut the number line at Q. So here OC is equals to OQ, that is equals to root 3. So like this we can represent root 5. On this again we'll draw a perpendicular, take 1 unit and join it. It is root 4, root 2, root 3, root 4. Again here we'll draw root for root 5. Like this we'll proceed and we'll get the square root spiral here. So OQ is equals to root 3. So for the practice you all will represent root 5, root 7, root 12 on number line. Thank you.